Can a state Supreme Court disagree with Citizens United? Arizona's highest court says its own constitution protects free speech rights differently. Let me explain. The case involved Proposition 211, the Voters' Right to Know Act, which was passed in 2022. The law requires groups spending significant money on elections to disclose their donors and provides a process for tracing dark money. Two organizations and two individuals challenged the law under the Arizona Constitution's free speech and privacy protections. In a 4-3 decision, the Arizona Supreme Court upheld the disclosure law. But what was really interesting was that instead of relying on the federal First Amendment framework, the court adopted a new Arizona-specific test. The court looked at the history of the Arizona Constitution and concluded that disclosure requirements like these promote election integrity and transparency without unreasonably burdening protected speech. As part of its analysis, the court also said that corporate campaign contributions are not a form of protected expression under the Arizona Constitution, putting its reasoning directly at odds with the Supreme Court and Citizens United. Now, Citizens United still controls under federal law, but the decision shows that state constitutions can protect rights differently. Now, the case isn't over. The plaintiffs still have a challenge to the law as applied to them, and there are also other challenges still moving through the courts. This decision is a reminder that state courts don't just interpret rights, they shape them. By developing their own constitutional frameworks, state courts can chart a different course from the US Supreme Court. And just as today's dissents can become tomorrow's majority opinions, state constitutional rulings can also become building blocks for the evolution of federal law. To learn more about how state courts shape our democracy, subscribe to State Court Report's free newsletter.